Did you hear it? This conveyor belt makes a very harsh sound when it is working. In this case, if you drive the car to the repair shop, they will ask you to replace the transmission belt, or even replace the entire transmission system, which will cost at least $3,000. Today I will teach you a way to solve it without spending a penny. In fact, we only need a box of Vaseline, and then take out a part of it, and apply it on the transmission belt like this. Okay, now I will get in the car and start the ignition to try to see if the abnormal sound disappears. Listen, the abnormal sound has completely disappeared. The problem has been completely solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me.